Cold, windy, gray day. Thermometer showed 22 degrees a while ago. Got to go out and tend to the chickens though. That's the life of a homesteader, but it won't take long. I got a heat lamp in there for them. They say chickens do okay. Uh-oh. Look there, it looks like a little slate on the top of the coop. They say chickens do okay. They don't need you to pamper them like that, but I'm gonna pamper. Not as much as some people do. There they are. Y'all ready to come outside? You crazy. I'll stay in that warm coop. I threw some scraps in there. Well, a couple of cackleberries in there. Okay. Now, throw a little scratch. All right, y'all set for the day. And I'm going in where it's warm. And you ladies and gents are on your own.